Nice one. So I cut up the celery in there. Now I got some lemon, some lime, which I want to cut up and put inside of the blender. So we got the celery and we got the lime. No further details. We got some ginger, some fresh organic ginger right here in the pan, you know what I mean? Yeah. Because a man, I love my ginger, so we have to use a lot of ginger. Now, what we're going to do is pour 2 cups of water. You can use a juicer machine and just get the beer juice from it. But if you don't have one, just use a blender. Because blender still works really good. Alright? Yeah. Blender still works really good. Now, what I'm going to do is blend. This blender is amazing. Honestly, it's one of the best ever in the world. I just love this blender. Now, let's strain it. Right straight through the strainer. Yeah. Alright, that's nice. Nice one. Alright, guys. Yeah. Things looking good. What we're gonna do now is pour it out. Alright. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Pour it out. You don't need no ice for this one. Drink it natural. Celery juice. Drink that first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Very good for weight loss and detoxing and cleansing of the body. Alright guys, so if you're a person who interested in a weight loss and all these things, is coming really handy for you. Alright? Without any further details, please subscribe and leave your comments. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I try my best to give you some of the most beautifulest recipe them in the world. So please stay tuned, and you know, as I said, this is just a fantastic recipe for you guys. Honestly, really fantastic and amazing. As you look at it, you see something which you need to drink. Look at the fantastic recipe, guys, and amazing. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright? So, as I said, we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming. Alright? Don't go any further. And please stay right there. Watch this beautiful recipe from Chef Ricardo, guys. Fantastic. This is very good for weight loss and detoxing of the body. And as I said, celery juice is one of the best in the world. Alright? Look at that juice. Look at the juice, guys. Look at the juice. It is amazing and fantastic. As you can see it for yourself. This is like ready for this drink. 100%. You guys will love this one. 100%. You guys definitely gonna love this one. Alright? So, see you next time. And subscribe. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Very good. The benefit of celery juice. Stay tuned.